Please cut and shuffle your opponent's deck.
Now let's duel! I summon Vamp.
It's my move! I play my Queen's Knight in attack mode! And then I shall summon my King's Knight!
Way to go, you!
Jack's Knight! Now I have 3 monsters on my side of the field, Marik!
I summon Vampiric Leech!
Take this!
What's that?
It's a card.
Now I activate the Seal of Orichalcos!
Nice, Yugi!
Yeah! Way to back that evil freak into a corner, dude!
Activate Trap Card! Left Arm Offering!
Oh, no!
Yes, this card lets me move 1 magic card from my deck to my hand. So I'll take the 1 card I need. My Monster Reborn! You're through!
Hand over your Monster Reborn now!
All right!
Nice move, Yug!
Take it!
With pleasure.
All right, back to the duel. This is all that's left of me, Pharaoh. The rest has fused together with Ra.
I'm afraid you're about to regret that move.
That's enough! I'll sacrifice my YuGiOh and transfer its strength to my winged dragon of Ra as well.
As president of Kaiba Corp, I declare this invalid!
I sacrifice Yugi in order to summon my Karibo! That ends my turn.
Not quite. It doesn't end until my Boganian takes 300 of your life points. So activate your special ability, my beast!
Nice try, but I play the trap card, negate attack!
Thank you, Kaiba.
Now, Winged Dragon of Ra! Attack his life points directly! It's all over, Pharaoh!
Sorry to disappoint you! You know why? Because I am no longer the target of your Egyptian god card's attack! Now it shall attack you!
Ra won't destroy me!
I'm afraid you don't have much of a choice in the matter now!
You go, boy!
We knew you'd outsmart that freak! Nice move!
You the man, Yugi!
You do realize that I can sacrifice any monster I wish.
Does this mean you're going to sacrifice Ra?
Anything's possible, Marik.
Oh no!
I sacrificed your Egyptian god card in order to summon Dark Magician Girl! Take this!
The Winged Dragon of Ra! We have all 3 of the Egyptian god cards!
When King's and Queen's Knight are in play, their special ability allows me to summon Slifer! Obelisk the Tormentor! The legendary Knights of Atlantis! Dark Magician! My summoned skull! And my entire army of monsters!
Check it out, guys. It's Yugi's monsters on parade.
Whoa! I've never seen anything like this.
Feel the power of the Orichalcos!
Now Yugi can destroy all of Marik's monsters! This is awesome!
Obelisk will crush Marik.
How could I let him do this?
All right, my Egyptian god monster! Attack Marik's life points now! Now you're only 1 attack away from defeat! Attack Marik's life points now!
And the winner of the Battle City Championship crown is YuGiOh!
That was amazing, Yugi!
Yeah, the way every monster in your deck showed up, that was classy! Up high, pal!